Onboarding new sales reps is painful. They inherit dozens of accounts with hundreds of opportunities, but have to click through each one individually to understand what's happening. By the time they're up to speed, deals have stalled and customers have gone cold. What if new reps could understand every account instantly? Let me show you GPTfy's Account360. I'm looking at an account with multiple opportunities and cases. Instead of clicking through each record, I run our Account360 prompt. I'll go to the dropdown and select Account360 View and then hit Run GPTfy. GPTfy pulls all account data, every opportunity, case, and activity history, and sends it to AI. In seconds, I get complete visibility. Look at these tables: opportunity summaries, customer objections, recommended next actions, and deal values. Everything a new rep needs to know is organized in one view. Click any hyperlink to dive deeper, but most times you won't need to. Your new rep just learned everything about this account in 30 seconds instead of 30 minutes. The best part is your sensitive data stays secure in Salesforce. GPTfy masks PII before sending to AI, so you get results without compromising compliance and security. You can choose any AI model in Salesforce via GPTfy, including OpenAI on Azure, Anthropic, Claude, Google Gemini, or other AI models. Also, it is very easy to add your best practices, templates, and frameworks in the prompt builder. By cutting onboarding time, new representatives can work on the leads immediately, which eliminates the risk of lost deals during transitions. Check out more real-world Salesforce and AI use cases in our demo video section, or book a demo to see your AI use cases in action.